Good day, laddies. It's a sunny day here in Georgia, USA. We've got the Honda Insight, and today we're going for World Domination. Part 3. It's Jeff with his friend Natalia.
Hello, Jeff.
And we are taking over the world here with this Honda Insight. I mean, we are in deep here. We've got the EFAS board. We've got the OBD2 CNC board rebuilt. We've got parts from Honda S2000s. We've got our gauge. We've got components for the OBD2 CNC. We've got a set of sockets. We got a spanner. We got a RSX shift knob. What do we have going on in here for World Domination?
I've got a socket wrench. We have a whatever that's called, a soldering iron.
Yeah, soldering, soldering.
We have the helping hands.
We have helping. What is this piece here? That is the brain.
That's the ECM. We have the ECM.
Yes, we have the ECM. We've got wires everywhere. We're taking
everything we could possibly need for World Domination.
World Domination is happening, and it's all because of a Honda Insight Generation 1. That's why you, if you're watching this, should go get one right now.